Hey guys, Rookie Lock here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Sorry I haven't put up a video in a while. I was actually waiting for a new camera, but I didn't end up getting it because the person that was going to give it to me decided to keep it for a little while longer. So I guess I'll be using this one for a bit longer, but hopefully I'll eventually get something a bit better. Anyways, today I have this Buffo. This is a lock that I got from Potti314. Got it quite a while back. Potti, I can't thank you enough for all those locks that you gave me. It really meant a lot to me. At the time, I really didn't have very much locks to pick on, and it was really nice to get some Euros. It was my first package of Euro locks that I've ever gotten. So yeah, that meant a lot to me. Thanks again. So let's see if we can get into this in a reasonable amount of time, and then we'll take a look at what's inside. Think I'm going to give it a try and pick this Euro style that is upside down for us. Key pins pointing upwards. And I'm just going to use this this old trusty of mine. It's just a no-name hook, and I think it's in 20,000s. And I'm going to use a windshield wiper insert, but I'm going to use it in the key side of the the pin side of the plug. Little something off number 1. Sorry about that, guys. Give you a little bit better angle here. There, we got something off of 5, and it put us into a little false set. Go back to the start. 1's still set. 2 is giving us counter rotation. Got it set. I think that's counter rotation on 3. Got it set. And then counter rotation on 4, and that opened us up. Pretty easy pick. I think these Buffos usually are, but it's an Abus, so it's still a pretty nice lock. I like it anyway. Alright, let's only at 3 minutes. Let's see what we got inside of here. Grab my pinning mat. I should have had my tools already, but what do we need? We got a follower. I think I'm gonna try. I think I do have a key for this. I should have checked before. Yeah, here it is. So I can lock it back up. And while I'm at it, here's the bitting on the key. Not too bad. Could be worse, I guess. Works extremely smooth. Actually, I haven't had a Euro lock yet that isn't smooth. They all seem to be extremely smooth, built to pretty good tolerances, I believe. Alright, let's try this clip remover here. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, that worked pretty good. So we'll grab that key again. And this follower. Oops, sorry. Everything's right to the shear line. Really flush. And let's see here. Didn't have to pick 1 and 5 to... Come on, camera. Didn't have to pick 1 and 5 too far. Let's check these out. I don't expect there to be anything but standards here in the key pin position. Sorry about that, guys. Can't wait to get a new camera. Now we got a standard in 1. Now there's some spools in here. There's a spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. And actually a spool in 5. I'll give you a closer look in a second. Nothing special in the Bible. All standard springs. Pretty nice pins in these Euros. So we have all standard key pins in the bottom, and we have a standard in position 1 for the drivers, and spools in 2 through 5. So that's it on this Spp'd Buffo. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe or leave a thumbs up. And everyone else, don't give lockpickers a bad name. Don't pick locks that don't belong to you, or that you don't have the permission to pick. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.